Pasensya na kayo, kailangan ko itanong to. Kung meron man pong isang bagay na sa inyong tingin ay tinatanaw nyo ng utang na loob sa Pangulo, sa Presidente, o sa pamahalaan na ito, ano po yun? Kung meron man,
Well, yung kanyang isa personal o sa politika?
Personal po, personal.
Ay, siyempre, pinakamalaking ginawa niya para sa amin, yung paglibing ng aking ama sa libingan ng mga bayani. Yun ang pinaka-importante para sa amin, para sa pamilyang Marcos, siyempre, at matagal na namin ipinaglaban yan eh. At ngayon pa lang, kahit na yung ibang presidente na nakaraan, kahit sa tinuturing nga namin kaibigan, at sinasabi, gusto nilang gawin, o papayag sila, si President Duterte lang talagang ang nanindigan dun sa kanyang unang salita na dahil nasa batas siya, nasa rules yan, dapat dapat malibig si Marcos sa libingan ng mga bayani. Habang sa kasaysayan ng pamilyang Marcos, di na namin makakalimutan yan.
Kumbaga siya lang yun nangako sa inyo na tinupad.
Parang ganon. Sa lahat ng iba, sinasabi, gagawa natin ng paraan, titignan natin. And siguro sincere naman talaga sa iba, pero syempre may puwersa ng politika eh.
Use an arrest warrant against former President Duterte. Will the Philippine if the ICC issues an arrest warrant against former President Duterte, will the Philippine government hand him over?
Will we do what?
Will the Philippine government hand him over if the ICC?
We don't recognize the warrant that they will send to us.
So that's a no.
That's a no.
Thank you, sir.
What is the rule about the ICC? When do they adopt jurisdiction? They adopt jurisdiction in a country, or they have jurisdiction in a country when no judicial system is working, is functioning, no police no police force is functioning. In other words, that probably there is war, and none of these issues about war crimes and all of these are being attended to, simply because the administration, especially in the judiciary, especially in law enforcement, are not functioning. That is the reason why we are saying we are well within the rules. It is their rule. It is the rule of ICC that they come in when there is no judiciary. They come in when there is no police force. We have a judiciary. The Chief Justice, former Chief Justice, sitting right here. He will explain to you how healthy and robust and how active the judiciary is. The police force, I think, the same thing. So that is the reason. It is not. We are well within.
Ayan sir, bitawan mo na ako, gusto ko, bitawan mo ako. You have the right to remain silent. Everything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right for an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney will be according to you. Do you understand this right? You are under arrest for obstruction of justice, 1829, sir. Let's go. Sige. Bosas, please. Bosas. 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 Dali! Bosas! Dali!
Yang mga ganun na reaction, expected video yan kasi pamilya. Kayong mga sundalo, kilala man ninyo ako. Anong kasalanan ko? Kayong mga Pilipino, mga sundalo, anong ginawa ko?
Hayaan mo lang makita nila ang tatay nila. 80 anyo.
Kung ganun, okay lang. Kung hindi nyo papasukin, make it clear.
Yes sir, hindi papasukin sir.
Hindi ninyo, ikaw,
Yes sir.
hindi mo
Upon my orders.
hindi mo pinapasok.
Yes sir, upon my orders sir.
Ang sabi ko, ang abogado ko, ang anak ko na babae. As you said, bakit mo naman i-deny ang abogado ko, ang abogado ko yung anak ko na babae? Bakit ninyo i-deny? Bakit mo i-deny? Bakit Mama, sama ka naman.